Hello everyone. Today, I will talk to you about the Yachtmaster series produced by VS Factory. In the video, this one has a grey dial, also known as the grey yacht. The Yachtmaster is divided into several series. One is the Platinum Yacht. The white yacht has a rubber strap without a steel strap, and the bezel is a matte bezel. So there are big differences. It's 42 millimeters in diameter. And then there are also rose gold and gold yachts. And then there is, in the video, this one is called the steel strap grey yacht. The grey yacht has several dial options: grey dial, blue dial, black dial, chocolate color, and so on. There are many color options, and they are called differently. When buying the Yachtmaster series, I personally recommend buying from the VS Factory, because now the C Factory's its details are the same as the VS Factory's appearance details. There is no big difference. Then there is the movement. VS Factory uses the Dandong 3235 movement, while C Factory uses the Shanghai 3235. If you know about it, should know about this movement issue. The Dandong 3235 movement has 72 hours, which has a very long power reserve, while the Shanghai 3235 can only reach over. There is a significant difference between them. In addition, Dandong 3235 movement is definitely better than the Shanghai 3235, and when you take apart the movement, the Dandong 3235 movement, most of its parts can be interchanged with the genuine one, and interchangeable, but the Shanghai 3235 is not. So, I recommend you to buy this Dandong 3235 VS Factory's 3235 movement. In addition, the Dandong 3235 movement, only VS Factory has it, because it has a contract with the Dandong factory, which hasn't expired, so no other factory can get this movement now. And the white gold, and rose gold Yachtmaster and rose gold yachts VS Factory, now they all have counterweight versions, which are the same weight as the genuine ones. However, the C Factory's products do not have counterweights. It will be much lighter than the original. Therefore, you must buy the VS Factory's Yachtmaster series. VS Factory is better than C Factory. Then, let me tell you some details about this watch. First, the case, bezel, and strap. The overall material is 94 steel, which is the same steel as the original. Then, in terms of the bezel, the Yachtmaster series bezel, it can rotate in both directions and turn left and right, is a two-way rotating bezel, and the craftsmanship of this bezel is different from that of the Submariner. All the scales on the bezel is polished and it is raised upwards. The scale is protruding outward, and there is a layer of sandblasting below. The ring made of this steel material. This is the case. Overall, its texture is very good. Moreover, VS Factory and C Factory are the same level factories. For example, just like Volkswagen's Magetan and Passat, they are actually the same thing. It's just that they are called differently. Its shell, including the steel, and the details of the dial. Actually, VS and C Factories are the same thing. There is no big difference. So, don't worry about the appearance. Whether you buy from C Factory or VS Factory, the appearance is excellent, and the edge of the ring mouth position, is also very well polished. There will be no scratching phenomenon. The overall texture of the ring is also very good. The mirror is made of sapphire, and next to it there is a 2.5 times magnifying glass with a blue film coating on it. These details are all fine, and the ice blue color, it will glow at night. The inverted triangle and 6 or 9 nails, its edge position, will have a rounded corner treatment. As for the hands, hour, minute, and the second hand are also polished very finely. There will be no burrs or rough edges, and the overall small font and the font above printing process is also very clear, and the texture is very good. As for the central axis, is also in the shape of a small hat, which is a solid central axis. This detail is also okay. Let's take a look at the strap. The middle part of the strap is polished, and the sides are metal brushed. These details are completely in line with the original. The position of the buckle, let's take a look at the gap, is very uniform up and down. There are no stains on the sides. There are no welding points. After opening the buckle, it also has a safety buckle design. The inside is also made of matte steel, and at this position there is no welding point. There will be no sharp edges that cut your hands. After opening it, look at the watermark on the inner side, including the dragon and phoenix logo, and the engravings are very clear, and the texture is not like that of small factories, which is very thick and deep. The lettering is not particularly large. The overall texture and coordination are very good. Then, the back cover position. The back cover position. C Factory will have a cartoon pattern label, but the VS Factory will not have it. Then there is a protective film. Let me show you how to adjust the movement. Rotate the crown downwards. It will automatically pop up. At this time, Screwing it up is the winding function. Pulling out the first gear is to adjust the calendar. Pull out the second gear to adjust the time. 323577 is to rotate the crown downwards, and the calendar is adjusted clockwise at 12 o'clock. These details are all very good, and the overall adjustment of the time adjustment gear, and the power adjustment gear, its overall feel and texture is better than that of the Shanghai's 323.